Alright, now we're going to show you how to use the Nintendo emulator. So just go up here and click on the Nintendo. Alright, you just want to turn your remote sideways for this. And alright, see what we got here. Alright, and if you hit the home button, it'll take you to the menu. And then from here you can save game, load game, and if you click on save, and then you click on new state, it'll save where you just paused your game at. And then if you go back and go to load and click on the state, it'll pick up right where you left off. And that's pretty much it.